Your 2013-2019 Ford C-Max key fob uses a CR2032 3-volt coin battery. When your fob's range decreases or stops working, it's time for a replacement. To begin, obtain a new CR2032 battery and a small flathead screwdriver or a key fob opener tool. Carefully inspect your key fob to locate the seam where the two halves connect. Gently pry open the fob at the seam, working your way around to separate the case without excessive force to prevent damage. Once open, note the orientation of the old battery, positive side up, before removing it. Insert the new CR2032 battery in the correct orientation. Snap the key fob case back together until it's securely closed. Test the fob by locking and unlocking your vehicle remotely to ensure it functions properly. Always use the specified CR2032 battery type, as using an incorrect size like CR2025 can cause issues. Avoid touching the battery terminals with your bare fingers to prevent corrosion. Store your key fob away from extreme temperatures and direct sunlight to prolong battery life. Consider recycling the old battery at a designated collection point to minimize environmental impact. While key fobs like the one in your C-Max are currently common, the automotive industry is shifting towards digital keys and smartphone-based entry systems. Newer vehicles use technologies like NFC or UWB for keyless entry. While not directly applicable to your C-Max, be aware that future car technologies may render physical key fobs obsolete.